Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to discuss an OTQ. This is 10 mark question, and this question is completely based on IAS 37 provision and contingencies. So 346, 347, 48, 49, and 50. Five questions, and all five questions pertain to IAS 37. If I read the question, it is on 7 Jan 2015. Hermione was informed that it was being sued by an employee in respect of a workplace accident. Okay, that took place in October 14. Legal advisor advised that the company is certain to lose the case. Okay, yani lawyer is saying it's certain that we will lose the case. So it's a probable or no? Probable outcome.
Yeah.
Liability is required, provision is required or no? If it is outflow is probable. Lawyer is the reliable source. Outflow is probable because of the past. Accident occurs in past. Presently, the case is going on. It's an obligation and future is going to be settled down. But uncertain timing, uncertain amount. That's why it's provision
Uh,
required. So workplace accident is one question, this one. Okay, so we will solve this one. Then next, Harm H has sold 100,000 machines that covered by a warranty agreement. Okay, warranty agreement. Machine develop a major. If machine had a major fault, then the average cost of repairing is $100. If a machine develops a minor fault, that average cost of repairing is $30. It is believed that the 6% of machines under warranty will develop major, 6% will be major, and 8% supposed to be minor fault, right? Time value of money, they are saying ignore the time value of money. The warranty provision is here, this one. Okay. Then the directors are decided for restructuring. If you remember the conditions of restructuring, just deciding the restructuring doesn't require provision. If the restructure have a proper plan, like former plan, communicated, announced, okay. So here it seems like provision required because announcement made and formal plan is there. So in this case, we are aware of that these we are aware of that restructuring requires provision and the condition must be satisfied. And we can see here the formal plan is there, announcement is made, yani it's a proper restructuring by the company, so provision is required. But earlier we did some questions that when to record, what amount, what expenses to be record while while making the provision, yani which amount we should take. As I told you earlier, we will take the amount which is directly associated with the restructuring. Other than restructuring things, we will definitely ignore. So which items we will consider, which items we will ignore, this what we need to deal with in 349. Got my point? And if I continue,
mhm.
the question is finished. And this question, and that question, which is circled with red color, they are related directly to the scenario. But two questions, 346, and this one, can say 350, are just a general knowledge question that your knowledge about IAS. So let's start with 346. They are saying when required a provision. Okay. Provision is a liability. Provision is a liability of uncertain timing and amount. That's the definition of provision, no? And liability, definition of liability is I used to write P, P, and F, past, present, future. Liability arises because of the past event and it's a present obligation to be settled down in the future. So number one is okay. If you remember, I told you that it must be probable. Outflow needs to be probable to record the liability, to record the provision. If outflow is possible, it means not probable, we will not record provision. If outflow is possible, we will just disclose it as a contingent liability instead of recording a provision. Remember or no?
Yeah, yeah.
So B, number two is galat, wrong. And all the IAS, this is a shortcut. All the IAS are required that the amount must be reliably measurable, like lawyer will tell you or expected value will calculate. So 1 and 3, so option is not A, not B, not D. The correct answer, I think, is C for cat. Understood or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot that possible and probable.
Ah, okay. No problem. Now moving a bit forward. Next one. Provision, provision or not provision. Okay. What they are saying here. What answer you got when you were solving? I think B.
E-
Uh,
Yeah.
Okay, let's see now. Now the thing is, this is accident, no? Think
Yeah.
accident. Now this is accident. It's not like a claim or something like chances or this type of things we should consider. Workplace accident. Workplace accident, chances that we will lose the case. Now, chances we will lose the case. Here, they are not giving you the EVs, expected value is not given. They are saying that 30% chances, 1 million, probability of payment occurring 30%, 10%, and 60%. What the lawyer suggests you that is certain that we will lose the case is certain. Yani most likely, right or wrong?
Yeah.
So if we are going to lose the case, the provision supposed to be how much?
2 million.
2 million. No need to use the expected values, because best
Mm.
estimate of the liability is required. Expected value is required when it's not sure. We are not sure. We are guessing this much this much this percent this. If we are not sure of the amount of the thing, here Hermione certain. The lawyer is saying, Baba, you gone, gone, tata, you are going to lose the case. Halas. So if I am going to lose the case, I have to pay. The chances are 60. Okay, 2 million will be my liability. Halas. Simple and easy. Got my point? The next one is the next one. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? The next thing is about the warranty. Now, warranty usually have the EVs, expected values. And you got the answer how much? For this part of the question, 840, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Mashallah, that's correct. But how? How you got it? Let's see. They said we are selling machines under the warranty agreement. 100,000 machines. Allahu Akbar, too many. Now, major or minor. There are two types of fault, no? So 100,000 machines we sold. Allah, Allah, too much. And price, the repair cost. Repair will be $100. But the chances are 6% that the expense will be a major one. Minor, 100,000 machines. The expense required if it is minor damage, $30, and the chances are 8%. So if we compute the EV, it will come 840,000. Option, oh, sorry, fill it up blank. So 840 need to be right over here. Hala, finish. Got it or no?
Yeah.
Okay, now the next one. Restructuring is a provision. Restructuring requires provision if a formal plan made and communicated to the staff. There are conditions written in my handout, which we already discussed while we were discussing IAS 37. Here the conditions are satisfied, so provision required. I told you the amount must be related with restructuring only. Not other than that, we will not consider any other amount. We will consider only the amount pertaining, relating to the restructuring one. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Now, if I do restructuring, I have to pay the redundancy payment. Wallahi, this is directly associated cost. Staff relocation, staff relocation, nothing to do with the restructuring. If I am relocating the staff, it's nothing, Yani. What is the problem? Is it directly associated with the restructure?
No.
No. In the example question which we did before from the study hub, while we were doing the restructuring or IS 37 in detail, we had this type of expense and investment in new system. We are investing in new system. What is the link with the restructuring? I am doing restructuring, and because of that, I am removing people. So my restructuring is directly associated with the people who are made redundant. Halas. Machine, relocation, new area, new factory. What to do, Baba? What should I do? I restructuring is affecting the staff. So only the staff related costs who are getting affected because of my restructuring will be taken care of. So the answer is supposed to be A for apple. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
A. Next one, not pertain to the scenario, journal knowledge. Law was introduced in November, required the company to fit new smoke filters in the factory by Feb 2015. The cost is 500,000. By the reporting date, the company not yet fitted the smoke filters. Although it's a present obligation, we have to spend money in future, but it's nothing to do with my past. Wallahi, I didn't do anything wrong. Alhamdulillah, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I am okay. The new law came present, future. Where is past? Mafi past. If no past, no provision is required because provision is a liability of uncertain timing and amount which is reliably measurable. Uncertain timing and amount means past, present, future. Past activity, present obligation, future will be satisfied. New law, present and future, no past, Baba. If no past, khalli wali, no provision required. Understood, wala no?
Yeah.
And the management accountant of company has reliably forecast. Okay, mashallah. He's forecasting loss. We did this type of example in our study hub questions that future estimated losses can never be provided for. Only onerous contract, which we are doing, and because of some reason the law contract became a loss-making contract, then only we are required to record the provision. Not like the estimated loss we will record. No, 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 no. Got it or no?
Yeah.
So that's the completion of this question. Name her